Good morning, viewers, and welcome aboard. Today, we take you into one of the world's most unpredictable maritime zones, the Bay of Bengal. What started as a normal day at sea quickly turned into a life-threatening encounter with nature's fury. This is the story of a storm at sea. As our ship sailed through the northern part of the Indian Ocean, heading east towards the Andaman Sea, clouds started forming. The Bay of Bengal is no stranger to cyclones and sudden tropical storms. Warm waters fuel massive low-pressure systems, and within hours, clear skies can turn dark. The barometer started falling. Waves grew taller, crashing violently against the hull. The radar showed a storm cell forming fast. We reduced speed and braced ourselves for what lay ahead. And then, it hit us. Gusts over 60 knots. Waves rising to 6, 8. Even 10 meters. The ship rolled side to side. Every piece of unsecured equipment clattered. Visibility dropped to almost zero. All crew were ordered to stay inside. Navigation lights on. Wipers working full speed, struggling to clear the windshield. The sea had turned angry. Black clouds stretched across the horizon, and lightning lit up the sky like a war zone. On the bridge, it was tense. Officers monitored the radar and acted closely. Course was adjusted slightly to face the waves head-on to minimize rolling. Communication with the engine room was constant. Power must not fail. Engineers kept a close watch on temperatures and pressure. Any error in this situation could mean disaster. We were in the heart of the storm for over 6 hours. Every minute felt like an hour. The ship moved slowly but steadily through towering waves, each one testing our limits. The deck was completely washed with seawater. Loose items, even heavy ropes, were tossed around like paper. But our training, our teamwork, and the strength of the vessel kept us afloat. The captain remained calm, giving clear instructions that leadership saved us. Eventually, by late evening, the wind started to die down. The radar showed the storm shifting westward. We had passed through the worst of it. Exhausted, but safe. The sky opened slightly, revealing patches of blue. The ocean, though still rough, no longer looked deadly. The Bay of Bengal reminded us again. The sea is beautiful, but never to be underestimated. Prepare your crew, and trust your ship. To all the seafarers watching, respect the weather. And to our viewers, if you've never been through a storm at sea, it's not just water and wind. It's a test of courage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Ocean Diaries, real stories from the deep. Until next time, stay safe and sail strong.